Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get 4K enhancement like Remini for free. Well, first of all, you have to just go to your Play Store and you have to download an app which is called Super Image AI Enhancer. After downloading, just open it up. Once you open it up, here you will get the option of photo upscaling and enhance portrait. Right, so here we just want to increase the quality, so I'll choose the second option here. Now here I will select an image, so this is an image I will select here. Now here the first option you will get, which is called upscaling mode. Tap on it and make sure you select this one, X16, and here for the output format select the PNG, right? And here after that it's done, just click on upscale. Now here you have to wait for a few seconds till it get done, and here it's completed right now, as well as the size of the file has been increased just because the quality has increased. Now click on download. You have to watch this ad, and after that it's done. So here I will just close this ad. Right now here you can see output resolution, so here it's taking a little bit of time, but it's done. As you can see here, the original resolution was 486 and the output after upscaling it's around 2000 or close to 2000, right? And once it's done, I will just click on open, right, and it will show in your gallery. So I will just go to my gallery here and let me show you the upscaled image, right? So this is the original one, as you can see here, but this is the upscale one. You can see the quality has a great difference. I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.